Okay.
So hello everybody, good morning, welcome to back my YouTube channel. My name is Prakash Thapa. I am student of the SAS Institute Management Study MM first year. Today the topic of my presentation is like research design, subject by the BRM is like business research methodology, preparation by the Mahendra Diamond sir. So research design. Today I will say something about like research design, very simple words and like all like contents like meaning, definition, objective, main purpose. So I will say and very simple words saying about like that. What is the research design? So say something about like the definition. The task of the define the research problem, the preparation of the research, the project, the properly is now as a research design. So discussion regarding what, where, when, how much, by the what means the concerning of the inquiry or the research study is constitute the research design. Meaning of the research design. The research design is the arrangement of the condition for the collection and analyze data. And the manner is the term aim to combine the relevance to the research, the purpose with the economy in the procedure. Research design have the following parts. They are following like 4 parts. Is like first like the sample design, second part like the observation design, third part is like statistical design, and fourth part is like the operation design. So sampling design basically which is the deal with the method and selecting item with observation for the study. Observation design which have related to condition and under which observation are to be the correct. Statistical design, the basically which has to concern the question how to the information and data is generating are to be the analyzed. Fourth point like the operation design is like which can deal with the techniques by with the procedure and certification by sampling. Feature of the good research and design. Research design in the operation the particular is research problem. They usually involve the following the feature like the main of the obtaining the information, the main availability and skill of the research and staff any, the objective of the problem to be the student, the nature of the problem to be the student, the availability to the aim and money for the research work. Important concept of relating the research design. So depend and independent is like variable. So is a concept which can be take on different quantity value is called like variable. The phenomenon which can have a take on a different quantity with the value is even the decimal. The value are the, is called like continuous. Externals of the variable that are not related to the purpose of the study but may affect on a dependent. The variable are the dependent like the external variable. For example, it's like example of this. Suppose the research want to be the test is the hypothesis. There is a relationship between the children and gain is the social studies achievement and their self concept. In this case, like self minus concept is equal to independent variables. So social studies achievement is equal to depending variable. The intelligence may have maybe affect the social achievement, but is not the related to the study is undertaken by the research. So it is a external variable. Control. So control is the one of the most important point of the research and design. So one of the important character of the good research are the to the minimize influence or affect. The term is used. We have the design and the study is a minimize. The affect the externals the independent of the variable. The confirm the relationship. Basically when an independence the variable is not free from the influence of the externals the variable. The relationship between the dependent and independent variable is said to confused by the externals variable. The research hypothesis is a predictive statement that related to the independence the variable to dependent variable. Experiment and non-experiment hypothesis testing. When the proposed research is to test the research hypothesis, it's the used term and hypothesis testing is the research. It can be the experiment or non-experiment. Experiment and control group. When the group is expects to the use condition is a term use control group. But when a group is expressed to be the some special condition, it like term is experimental group. treatment. Basically, they have different conditions under the which are the experiment and control, and the group put of the usually refer to the treatment. Experiment. Basically, the purpose of the experiment is the satisfaction hypothesis related to the some the research. The problem is now the experiment. For example, is like that we can conduct the experiment. They examine the useful to certain and newly development by the drugs. Different between design, like in the case like experimentary research study, in case like descriptive and diagnostic research, in case like hypothesis testing and research and study. Research design in the case of the experimental and research design. So basically, the experimental and research design method are the also the term is the formality the research studies. The main purpose in the formality is like the research is problem. Three methods are used. Basically, first like they have survey is a conservative literature. Second is like the experiments survey. Third is like the unlike the inside the stimulating. The survey of the concerning the literature is like the this is the most sampling and fruitful the method of the formality in the research problem. The hypothesis is take the earlier in the verb and the usefulness to be the electing as a basic for the further research. Second is like the experience survey. The basically experience survey is like it means like survey is the people who had the particular experience. The objective of the obtain is new idea related to the research and problem. The analyze of the inside stimulating in this also the fruitful method of the suggesting in the hypothesis. It is the particular is suitable in the area. It's like we have a little experience to survey the guide. In this method is the existing the record the maybe the examine. In case like descriptive and diagnostic research. So descriptive and diagnostic research is like the in case like descriptive research is study is one of the study in which can be the concern and which descriptive have the characteristic of the particular individual or group. Is diagnostic is research study is like the determine and frequency which has something occur. Like different between the formality like descriptive or oblique like diagnostic. So first point like the flexible design is they have no flexibility. Second like judgmental and sampling like random and sampling they are including one. No predetermined and design. The predetermined design for the analyze. No fixed decision about like the operation and procedure like advance and decision. In case the hypothesis testing the research and study. So hypothesis testing research study is now the experimental study. Those are research test hypothesis of causal relation between the variable. Thank you guys. You can listen to my presentation and watching to my video. Thank you so much.